Welcome to MAPOG. Today, we explore the fascinating world beneath our feet. We'll be creating a soil types map, using the powerful tools provided by Map Analysis on the MAPOG platform. There is our final output, a comprehensive soil type map. It is a visual masterpiece that not only showcases the variety of soil types, but also provides insights into their influence on the landscape. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, begin by opening the MAPOG Map Analysis interface. Then navigate to Add Upload and select Upload Vector File. Now browse and choose your vector file. Then proceed to upload it. Your data is added now. Once the data is added, give a name to the layer by clicking on Edit Map Name. Then, Save Map. Now go to Style Data. Then choose the Category Style option. Select the layer first and then select the attribute. You can customize the colors according to your preferences for each category. After that, click on the Save Style option to apply the style to the data. Now to add label, go to Style Data, and then go to Label Feature. Select the layer first, then select the feature name, which you want to show as the label. And customize the font size and color as per your choice. Then, Save Label. The label feature is added now. After that, go to the Action button, and select Show Label to display labels on the screen. The labels are now showing on the screen. You can easily interpret the map. Explore the unique representation of different soil types and their spatial distribution. From this map, agriculturists gain valuable insights into soil diversity, aiding in crop selection and management. Urban planners can make informed decisions about construction projects, and environmentalists benefit by understanding soil health for conservation efforts. This soil type map is a powerful tool for understanding and utilizing the diverse soil landscape. Whether you're in agriculture, urban planning, or environmental science, MAPOG provides you crucial insights for sustainable decision-making. Thanks for joining us. Explore how you can unlock the potential of geospatial data for your work through MAPOG. Have any queries? Connect us at support@mapog.com.